feel old. I gotta clean this hood. Junk ass Subaru. Walmart battery because I'm poor. Please explode. Alright. We gotta turn this thing on. It hasn't turned on in a minute. And it's cold. God, I'm so old. Oh my God! Alright, enough tomfoolery. Let's get this thing cracking. Neutral, clutch, ignition. I don't know why I'm flipping it off. We'll be back once it's warmed up. I don't really turn this car on much anymore, which I probably should, because then it's just gonna get real bad. Even though it doesn't, like, nothing's wrong. I don't know what I'm trying to get to, honestly. Welcome back to another video. Happy New Year, even though the first month of the New Year is about to end. I'm a little late on this video, which I shouldn't be because anyways. Thank you so much for the support you guys gave last year. I truly, truly appreciate it, and it made me very happy on how much love the channel got. The goal was for 1,000 subscribers for the end of the year, but we're shooting for an earlier goal now since we didn't achieve it. We're to shoot for summer, around roughly like July. I want to hit 1,000 subscribers, and then yeah, we'll just go from there. It doesn't seem like a huge achievement, but to me it really is. So there's my timer to turn off the car. Like I said, thank you so much for the support last year. We're shooting for 1,000 subscribers here closer to summer, which I'm super excited about. I have a couple of videos for you guys already. I just needed to make this one, and I'm a little late. I don't know why. I made this one last, and then the other ones I already started before. Like, they're already edited and everything, but yeah. Yeah, well, here's the bug. I'm gonna give you guys a quick rundown of what's happened. So front end, the fenders are gone. This video is actually done and edited, so you guys can see it. But the car is gonna get redone. This time I'm going to take my time. You wanna say what's up? Give me a meow. Tell them go like and subscribe right now. We got the rear all torn apart. If you guys remember, I did have like a crack, but you guys will obviously see that in the video that I have made for you guys. So we're actually gonna make a legitimate trunk setup. The car's just torn apart, guys, but that's pretty much, I don't know, it's a quick summary of what the cars, or what's gonna happen here in the next, I'm choking. But yeah, guys, to finish this video, we actually went to some like indoor car meet. Here's their tag for their Instagram. They're local, and then I don't even know what it was. It was like some like warehouse space, I think. Like construction, like warehouse space. Anyways, they rented it, or like they own it. Someone owns it. They held a car meet. We saw some cool exotic cars or whatever. Whatever clips I have is gonna finish today's video. Turn on those post notifications because I honestly was on a set schedule, and I'm going to be again, so every Wednesday at 5 p.m. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Whatever I have left is all I have left for you guys for this video. This video was kind of put together last minute. I'm already at a 4-minute mark, and I really don't want to clip this any more than I already have to. So yeah, enjoy today's video. Peace out, guys.
I thought you were some random person. I was like, why the fuck are you so close?
I hit these niggas with the triangle.
I'm pouring H to the face in the spaceship. Swerving, I'm switching lanes in the spaceship. Got your bitch giving me face in the spaceship. Running from 12, doing the race in the spaceship. I don't think you want to race with the
Line goes down all the way down there. I don't know, I can't tell, but then there's like, we're at like, I don't even know. It's Cars and Coffee in Utah. If you guys want to check out the page, it's on the screen. But yeah, it seems like a good turnout. There's a lot of supercars, stance cars. I would say, I don't know. I haven't been inside yet, so we'll find out. Oh, hey, Kel, be glad you didn't bring your bumper now, huh? I think he scraped his intercooler. That's what it sounded like, that GT3. That's sick. And then Lando's in his Mustang. You guys haven't seen his Mustang, but we'll show you his Mustang. His 5.0. Show him.
Who's
See
so
if they
cool.
can see it.
I don't even know.
It's so cool. Is that what you said?
Wait, I don't even know what the fuck.
Alright, we'll just show him when we get off the car.
He's like, hold on. It's because it's like inverted weird.
I like this GT3. Fuck 5.0s! Fuck 5.0s!
Oh my god, Ozzy.
What's up, dude? I'm gonna go see if it's even worth for you guys to pull in down that way. Yeah. This Evo's sick. Yeah.
You already know what the fuck going on. You told Weekend Car Me. We got shit STI right here. Doesn't even have a bumper on. Oh, hey, CA. Watch out for the CA. Watch. You already know what the fuck going on. It's the 5.0. It's the 5.0 out here. We ain't playing around.
The pony?
I have to like park it on the street, like walk in this.
That duckbill's sick.
Oh, is this fucking... This is Ozzy Vlogs?
Yeah, what's up?
Hey!
That's insane.
What am I supposed to say, bruh?
What you think of that car?
American made. Better than anything you could
Oh
have.
my god. Cue American Eagle News.
No, this one's not static.
What the fuck going on, YouTube?
Until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see.